STIHL wet and dry vacuum cleaners are true all-rounders for domestic and professional users. Cleaning even the minute dust at home is important for good breath for better health. High suction power. Suction power control for different floors. Fleece filter bag with additional filtration. Cleaning the air filter inside without opening is possible. Stainless steel tubular handle and suction tube for long life in SE122 model. Holders for suction tube and hose simplify transportation. Powerful STIHL vacuum cleaner leaves no dust on the floor. Cleaning woolly and designed floor mats is an easy task with this machine. With different attachments matching the situation, we can clean nook and corner of the house, computer, fan, air conditioner, etc. Cleaning car interiors will also be perfect. Drying by sucking the spilled or leftover water on the floor was never so easy, be it in kitchen, dairy, industry, etc.